Hello, I am with Thorsby today. They've got an X9 John Deere demo cutting some wheat. It's the same machine you may have seen me film the other day, making its rounds. If you didn't see that, this has a 40-foot John Deere hinged draper header on. Just about to set off on this run. And we'll follow it along and get some slow motion so you can see how this header works on this combine. You can see there's a belt there, and the belt feeds the wheat into the centre so it can be fed into the combine. Just coming to the end of this run on this corner of the field. And the auger's out, and they're going to start unloading on this run down. Now there is a system with this combine where they can link it up if your tractor set up for it, where you can control the speed for unloading from the actual combine itself. So the driver of the combine, he can speed up that tractor and slow it down because he's got a better view inside the trailer. We've got Ben carting in the 6175R John Deere and their Bailey 6 trailer. I think it unloaded, I think it was 186 litres per second. In comes the auger. Just watch him take off this edge. And up with the header. Some dust coming out now. So thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you on the next video.